Hey friends, it's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have some fun today? We are going to make something so cool. It's a pop-up card. Wow, it's like a regular card, but when you open it up, surprise! Something pops right out at you. It's like a little bit of magic hiding inside a piece of paper. You get to choose the colors, the shapes, and everything that goes inside. It's your very own special creation. Imagine the happy, surprised face someone will make when they open your card and see a beautiful shape pop up. That's a really happy feeling, isn't it? Let's get ready to make someone smile with our art. Today, we will learn how to fold, cut, and stick things together to make our pop-up magic happen. It might sound like a lot of steps, but don't you worry. Blippi is here to help you every single step of the way. We will go nice and slow, and we will have a great time doing it. The most important thing is to have fun and try your best. Are you excited? I know I am. This is going to be one of the best crafting days ever. We are going to turn simple paper into something truly spectacular. Think about all the fun things you could make pop up inside a card. Maybe a bright yellow star, or a big red heart, or maybe even a funny green frog. The possibilities are endless when you use your imagination. Let's gather all our cool supplies and get started on this amazing pop-up card adventure. It's going to be so great to see what you make. Let's go. We'll craft safely together. Everything we need is right here. Ready? Let's begin. We'll make a pop-up step together. Step by step, nice and easy. Before we can start our amazing pop-up card adventure, we need to gather all our special crafting tools. It's like being a builder, but instead of building a house, we're building a super cool card. First, we need some paper. Let's find one big piece of colorful paper for the outside of our card. This is called construction paper. You can pick any color you love, maybe blue like the sky or green like my suspenders. We will also need a few smaller pieces in different colors for our pop-up shapes. The more colors, the more fun. Next up, glue. A glue stick is great because it's not too messy. Twist to make the glue come up. If you have liquid glue, use just a tiny dot so the paper doesn't get too squishy. We'll need safety scissors, special scissors for kids with rounded tips. Always ask a grown-up for help and let them watch while you cut. And let's grab crayons and fun stickers to make our cards extra special and colorful. Okay, awesome artists, are you ready for the very first step? Let's grab that big piece we picked. This will hold our pop-up surprise. Place it the long way like a tall building or the wide way like a big bus. It's your card. Now fold in half. Try to match the corners like they're giving each other a little hug. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just do your best. Hold the sides together, press the middle, and run your finger along to make a nice crease. Press it down firmly. You can go back and forth a few times. Look, you folded your paper in half. Now it looks like a little book. You can open it and close it. Great job. Wow, look at what you did. You turned a flat sheet into a card. Let's set it aside and get ready for the next fun step. Are you ready for some magic? This next step makes the pop-up. Keep your card closed and look at the fold we made. Take your safety scissors. We'll make 2 little cuts on the folded edge. Gentle. Make 2 small parallel cuts from the fold toward the middle. Don't cut all the way across. See the little rectangle? That's our pop-up tab. Open the card a bit and gently push the tab into the inside. It might feel funny. Keep going. Close the card and press so the new fold learns its job. Now open it all the way. Wow! A little paper platform is popping out. It's like a little step, a tiny seat. You did it. The pop-up mechanism. Open your card. Close your card. Isn't that so neat? Okay, this might be the most creative part of our whole adventure. It's time to decide what you want to pop up inside your card. You can make anything you want. Stars, hearts, flowers, cars, even a friendly monster. Pick colors you love. Red or pink for hearts, bright yellow for a sun. Use a crayon to draw your shape first to make cutting easier. Don't worry if it's wobbly. A wobbly heart is still full of love. Now carefully cut with safety scissors. Go slowly and follow your lines. Ask a grown-up for help if you need it. Look at the beautiful shape you made. You can make more than one, maybe a big star and a little star, or a whole family of hearts. You are doing such a wonderful job being a creative artist. Okay, my creative friends, it's time to bring everything together. Twist your glue stick up and add a little glue to the back, just a little near the edges. Press the bottom of the shape to the bottom of the pop-up and hold for a few seconds. Close the card so it folds flat. Now open. Ta-da! The shape pops out. You can add more shapes or even make more pop-up strips for extra fancy fun. Let's decorate the front and the inside. Draw pictures and write words like hello or for you. Add zigzags, swirly lines, and little drawings that match your pop-up. Hearts around a heart, stars around a star. Stickers add sparkle. Corners, borders, even a tiny sticker on the pop-up. Your card looks so professional and fun. You are a crafting superstar. This looks amazing. Wow, just look at the masterpiece you have created. A handmade card comes from your heart. Mommy, daddy, a brother or sister, or a best friend. Who will you choose? Grandparents and teachers love cards too. Imagine their smiles when they open it. They can keep it on a fridge or desk to see every day. You folded, made the secret pop-up strip, cut shapes, and decorated with your special style. You did it! Every little wiggle and crayon mark shows it was made with love by you. Next time, try 2 or 3 pop-up strips, or more detailed shapes that pop. Paper, scissors, and glue can make so many fun crafts. Thank you for crafting with me. Keep being creative, curious, and having fun. Bye-bye.